Today I'm showing you how to add another account on Facebook so you can easily switch between multiple accounts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your Android or iOS device. Step 2. Access menu. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. Step 3. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu until you see the Log Out option. Step 4. Tap on Log Out. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to log out. Step 5. Confirm logout. If you get a confirmation option, tap Log Out again in the pop-up to confirm. You'll be taken to the Facebook login screen. Step 6. Select Use Another Account. On the login screen, you'll see any previously logged in accounts. At the bottom, tap Use Another Account or Add Account. Step 7. Enter new account credentials. Enter the email address or phone number and password for the second Facebook account you want to add. Make sure you enter the correct login information. Step 8. Tap Login to log into your second Facebook account. You're now logged into your second Facebook account. And that's it. You've successfully added another account on Facebook and can now easily switch between multiple accounts without logging out each time.